With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question from the topic collision. Two balls, each of mass 2 kg, one at rest, undergo oblique collision and it is perfectly elastic. Then the angle between their final velocities will be. So what I have one ball like this and another ball is here. And if it is moving, both are moving in the opposite direction. One is at rest, so its velocity is 0. And if this is moving, we can say that this will be our common normal. What is common normal? Nothing but the line joining the centers of both the balls. So this will be the common normal. So basically what is going to happen is we can apply the equation of coefficient of restitution along the line joining the centers, that is common normal. And we know that if this is at rest and both the bodies have same mass, so basically they are going to exchange their velocities. So after some time what is going to happen, if this is your ball 1 and this is your ball 2, so what is going to happen, it will have a velocity v sin theta in the upwards direction and v cos theta in this direction, and its velocity is equals to 0. So what will happen is that along the common normal, as the mass is same and it is elastic collision, the velocities are going to get reversed. That is, the v cos theta of the first ball becomes 0 and this ball will start moving in this direction in v cos with velocity v cos theta. So what will our final velocities look like? Our first ball will be going in this direction with a velocity v sin theta, and our second ball after the collision will start moving in this direction with velocity v cos theta. So we can clearly see that these two velocities are going to be perpendicular to each other. So for the given question, our option D, that is both the bodies move at 90 degree to each other after the collision, is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.